It's about to start.
This is gonna be tasty.
That's nice.
Oh my God.
Perfect. Bam.
Oh, this is so much fun.
Stop.
Cooking is a form of being creative. It almost looks like artwork. The kitchen is your canvas. The food is your paint.
Rub it, massage it, love it.
And there's no rules.
Time to go in with the fire.
Let's light it up.
That's a lot of smoke. Guaranteed to be sloppy.
Come on, girls. Here we are. Malibu-ya. What?
Let's bring it to the beach.
You're just cooking out in nature, girl.
Wow. My approach to cooking is F-U-N, fun. Getting excited. It's so much fun, it's like it's a sin.
What's going on? Now I know what all the buzz is about. Yes. Right.
Can I get my head under there?
Here's to the beginning of the Americana road trip.
How fantastic is this setting, guys? Look at this. Sorry, man.
Oh my goodness, it's like a total feast.
I was born to sing, but my real passion is cooking.
What did you do?
I can cook my face off.
That's why I'm here.
These are so good, honey, I could slap myself.
Cooking Channel is exciting.
Now that's a celebration.
Ready to cook?
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
The winner!